Siddharth.
He's my first boss. Mr. Captain Cool.
He is a leader.
Great leader.
Siddharth Kusum.
We never find such a leader. No one will be like you. He told, I'm leaving the company. God, everyone got shocked.
Thank you, Siddharth. I can't say anything more than this.
Thank you so much, Siddharth, for everything. You're a great leader. Actually, in my journey, I never found like you. You give the freedom to write. Okay, see, here everyone, we are a creative person. Okay, so everyone have different thoughts and different opinion. But in Yavattu Saha, you didn't tell us you write like this. You don't write like that. You didn't ever you told us. You just informed us. If you do like this, what will happen? Like that is the motivation for all people, and we can share with you any problem. Or if you didn't share, also you will understand. He always telling me you can do. So yeah, that things always motivating me, and I did a few, and whatever I did now, that's the main reason is Siddharth. And I don't know English also properly, but I don't know why he believed me. But he gave me more tasks, more difficult situation. But whenever he gave me, I didn't say no, I can't. ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿ I have to do. Okay, so then thank you for everything. The last meeting when you said na, the last meeting, actually suddenly he called the meeting, so no one expected. So he suddenly he told, I'm leaving the company. God, everyone got shocked because we never find such a leader. We never ever find, because he's like that. Okay, from the morning frequently also telling, he's a different Kritika. He understands everything. Okay, from that day, to be frank, I'm not interested in writing. I'm writing down that I have to do. That's it. But when he was when he was leading now, so that time we have a one spirit. Now we have to do more than that, more than like that. But now we don't have that spirit. We don't have that hope. But all the best. Okay. Siddharth sir, definitely we miss you. If possible, come back and let's work together again. Okay, but we really miss you, and also I want to say all the best for your movies and everything. Okay, ಒಳ್ಳೆ success ಆಗಲಿ. Thank you for that.
Whenever I got blocked, or like what we call creative block, writer's block. Whenever I got that, so he's the guy like, you try this, you try that, why don't you try in this way? So, and one more thing I just wanted to say, like whoever spoke here said the word leader. Nobody said manager. Okay, understand that? Leader. He always saw the potential and he gave a right direction to it. And unlike anybody else, I won't say that, yeah, you won't be there. The support will be missing, but we will go through it. But I know for sure Siddharth, he knows what is the potential of a person. And as a Mumbaiker or as a pure professional, he doesn't hold anything here or here. He will never take it to here or here. Nothing personal. If it is work, work needs to be done. If that person is needed, come, do your work, leave. That's it. If you are good, you are talking good, if you have, at least some ethics, morals and all, you are a good friend. That's it. That's simple. So that's why I will say, Siddharth, I know that wherever you will go, you will definitely rock. So go rock wherever you are doing and whatever doing, but just remember us and what we can do. That's it. Thank you so much.
You have made me what I am today, and Siddharth, one incident I can never forget about you. Do you remember there was a time I was very down and I spoke to you and told you, Siddharth, I'm not in a right state. I need 2-3 days. And I didn't even tell you what is happening with me. You didn't even ask. And I was like, what kind of manager he is? He's not even asking. And then you said one thing. You said, you need 2 days, you take 4 days. Come back stronger. And I came back stronger. And mentally I was so disturbed that time, and when I told my family this is how he is, and they didn't believe how can a manager be like this. But I said, no, I'm actually working with a manager who is like this. And then I realized you are someone who is not just a mentor, you are not someone who's just want us to get things done. You want to know us personally, you want to know whether we are right or not. We are okay with everything mentally. I'm not just speaking about the work. See, work will happen eventually. We are getting paid for it, and at the end of the day, even I want my work has to be good. But mentally,
Are you happy with it?
yes,
He does.
but that was the phase that I will never forget. That your line and that your support at that time. I mean, that was the one of the worst phase of my life, and that day the way you supported me without asking anything, that meant so much.
So which team you are liking the most?
Team English, any time, any day, anyway. So that I'm so going to miss you guys. I mean, I'm going to be in touch with you. I'm telling on your face. Whenever I'm going to stuck, I'm going to give you a call without caring about whether you are busy with your work. Whenever you are free, you know you have to direct me. You know where I get stuck. You know where I get confused. So you have to be there. Thanks, Siddharth. Thanks.
Identification of the talent or the skill is what an important factor that lies within the boss. So, in that way, in the boss, if you take in that layer, I may have worked in many companies. I have seen the corporate worlds. I have done it. He is the best. This is true. Even the way he gave the room for writing the freedom, he himself encouraged me. I mean, he has identified that. He encouraged it. And Siddharth sir, you are my boss. You came pulling all the bogies all the way from Kanyakumari to some substation, some shed, being an engine, and leaving us here, all the bogies all at once here, and this engine is moving forward to pick up some more fresh engines, I don't know. But wherever you are, I affirm and confirm that you will rock like it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You will rock like it. You have that type of caliber, that type of creative thinking. You have that, literally.
Thank you so much everyone for joining us. I know that you people had a long journey so far and traveled so far and came down over here. One day suddenly I got a call from Siddharth and he told me that there is an opportunity. So you should drop down here. So I thought, fine, like I have never given a second thought. So before I get into Pocket, let me tell you all something about me and Siddharth. We started our journey when we were into 20s. And right now we are into 30s.
बोल दिया सच बोल दिया
Yeah.
चुका है ना
So almost like
चुका है इसलिए
रावण को जैसे 14 साल का वनवास हुआ था, हम लोगों को 14 साल हो गया है।
राम को हुआ है
राम को sorry, it's just because of the effect of what I'm having.
बूढ़ा साधु
Yeah. Okay, fine. So, Siddharth actually plays a very important role in my personal life. We have been together since almost like 14 years. We have seen hell out of ups and downs in our life, no matter what the reason is. We were always together. There have been instances where we have spoken once in a year, and
Less than that.
less than that, and but we were always together, anywhere, anytime, like whatever. We were just a call away. So that was the journey with him. Still, the journey continues. It's almost 14 years. Even he don't have a friend like me, and I don't have a friend like him. That's the reason I believe. And coming to Pocket FM, great journey, great people, great leader. But the saddest part is he's living almost like this coming week. And a leader like him, like there is a saying that we can win few matches if a leader is not there, but we can't win a World Cup, right? Yeah, so we will be missing him, and the most important person I will be missing him, because there are many instances where he have helped me. Let it be operation wise, let it be taking care of the finance and everything. Like there are so many things where you people are not actually aware of, where only me and Siddharth are aware of. Journey is incredible. Like even I speak the entire night, it will be like less time for me. It's Sushma left Pocket FM. I'll be honest, Sushma over here right now. Operation team is still scattered. We are not streamlined yet. The reason why the things were streamlined at that point of time when you were there with Pocket FM, let it be South, let it be Hindi or let it be English, because you were there, you helped me out at that point of time. So that's the reason it was actually possible for me also to take care of everything. But right now, like it's totally scattered. I am just taking care of. I even don't know that how I am taking care of everything. Coming to Siddharth, like what should I say? Like words should be less over here, even if I speak something. He have been a great leader, great supportive, understanding everything, no matter what, giving the kind of freedom. Like I have been interacting with all the wings of Pocket FM, but the kind of freedom, the kind of suggestions, the kind of managing the things, it's another level. Like if someone joined tomorrow in place of Siddharth, that will be someone else, but no one can replace in that, I can say.
Dhoni, MSD of.
No, it's a fact. Like, see, everyone has their, what should I say, line. I'm not getting that particular line actually.
वही शायरी शायरी में बयान कर दीजिए, शायरी में एक सिप लेना आ जाएगा.
आपकी पहचान वो नहीं होती जो कोई और आपको दे, आपकी पहचान वो होती है जो कोई और आपसे ले ना सके. So that is something for Siddharth. So I don't know how to come across. अभी तक के लिए इतना ही. बाद में मुझे जरूरत पड़ेगा तो मैं माइक कवर करके कुछ सामने
ఇది ఒక ఏరియా బలపంగా ఉంటుంది. విష్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. పెద్ద పొజిషన్లో మంచి మంచి వేదికల మీద ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ గుడ్ ఐఎస్ఎస్ అండ్ గుడ్ పొజిషన్. all of you. Thank you, Ananda, for this opportunity.
As a creative person, no, Siddharth, like I believe he would have facing like so much of pressures in his meeting, but one day also I can 100% say that he would have never forced anyone or put the pressure on someone else, because like he is also being a creative person, and every day like it's one of the best moments, I would say, Siddharth. Thank you everyone for giving the support, and especially thank you so much, Siddharth, Sushma and Manibhushan for being the support till now. Thank you so much.
So first I want to thank Siddharth for choosing me and putting me in this. I still remember the day when I joined here, and the way he made me comfort and he took me in. So because I was into the films and I was a music director, so I was not very sure about how I would be doing this. But the way he took me in, he said that he appreciated my past and he believed in my skills. So I just took it and I started working.
ఇక్కడ నేను వచ్చానంటే వస్తాను సిద్ధార్థ్ కోసం. చాలా హ్యాపీ. ఎన్నో మాట్లాడాలనుకుంది కానీ కొంచెం మాట్లాడలేకపోతున్నాను. హ్యాపీ టు సీ. చాలా టైం ఉంది, కలుస్తాం.
भाई साहब सब लोग एक बार तालियां बजा दो because the biggest supporter of Pocket FM is coming. That is none other than Sushma. I didn't know you are a celebrity. जो लेट में आते हैं लेटेस्ट में आते हैं वो लोग सेलिब्रिटी होते हैं इसलिए so I didn't forget he is the one who is culprit who just called you because I was about to call you.
First of all, thank you for having me here. First of all, I want to talk about technical team. Being Haripura, Bala, Ashwant, Jagdish, editors, sound designers, everyone. Whenever I call, there is no say that ma'am will not do this. Every time, even I call Bala, even in his difficult times, he told, ma'am, I'm in this hospital, but I will do from hospital itself. Haripuram, he will not even say anything. He'll always say, yes ma'am, I'll do. Jagdish, once I called him on Sunday, he was outside somewhere I think. He was saying sorry to me, sorry ma'am, I just came outside. If I was knowing that work is there, I could have not come. Thank you for that dedication. Everyone from technical team, Viveki, Shiva, everyone, Ashwin, he used to ask me daily. First message I used to get from Ashwin, ma'am, when we are starting sound, when the work will start, ma'am, I'm getting frustrated. Don't worry, you'll get more work from now. All the best. All the technical team, without your guys, whatever these people are talking me and appreciating me today, this would have not been definitely possible. Thank you for that. And also sometimes I used to scold Ashwant, why you are delaying, what is the reason? But he used to be very nice. Ma'am, I came to college, I'll do, just give me 1 hour, ma'am, I have exam today, just give me half an hour. Thank you for that, Ashwant. Thank you for dedication. And next thing, money, thank you for everything and thank you for your support. I can't say thank you enough. Thank you for that. Kritika, you are the first person I came to know in Pocket FM and you are the first person I connected to. And before I joined Pocket FM, I know everyone, but I was knowing that if I have anything, if I need to ask anything in Pocket FM, I can come to you. Thank you for that. And also, thank you for sharing personal bond with me. Thank you. And Sukriti, thank you for coming. Thank you. And coming to Sarvanan and Karthik, whatever the work I am assigning to them, I don't need to call back, I don't need to check, there is no coming back. I can be assured that work will come back with 100%. Thank you Sarvanan and thank you Karthik. Krishnamurthy sir, thank you for coming. Thank you. Coming to Telugu team, KVM, thank you. I bothered you so much even on Sundays. KVM 16 student ikkada exam పంపిస్తారు ఎంత తినాలి. Even I know you suffer how much with Naidu. Thank you for that. And Satya, thank you. I know you are the most irritating guy. You irritate everyone here, but still thank you for that. Sai, thank you for coming and happy married life. RK sir, audio is only for voice. Me voice vinte everyone will know that this is Pocket FM. RK voice is there, this is Pocket FM. Thank you for that. And నేను చాలా సార్లు మీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు నేను లేట్ నైట్ కాల్ చేస్తే అమ్మ పంపిస్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ దట్. And Bala, thank you for coming. I remember one word of yours when you told in review meeting, ma'am, until and unless this Pocket FM kick me out, I will not go anywhere. Thank you for that. Thank you to every technical team, technical person, everyone. Thank you. Finally, thank you Siddharth. I can't say anything more than this. Thank you.
Let's call upon someone who is. Yeah.
Okay, the interview all happened. Everyone knows what the interview is like. The interesting part is the meetings. I was like, I don't even know how to operate Google Meet. I used to think like, you know, in the initial meetings, I used to ask him that is it really necessary to attend meetings? He was like, this is how corporate works. You have to come. You have to be on time. whenever there is a scheduled meeting at 10:30, I used to be there at 10:45. And I used to say, Siddharth, this is a Telugu industry. We joined at 15 minutes late. So that's how I used to work, like, you know, and he used to keep saying, like, bro, Telugu industry is different, corporate world is different. You have to adjust to the corporate world. Then I was like, okay, I'll try to learn the corporate world and everything. Then again, the next interesting thing is, I don't know the hierarchies of corporate world. I don't know who is who. I know he's the boss. And for every small thing I used to call him. And he's like, Sai, you should not call me for this. There is another person first. I don't know who is that person. I'm like, okay, Siddharth, I know only you, I'll call you. Then he's like, one time, I still remember that meeting, like, you know, there were all these leaderboard people and all. I don't even know the meaning of leaderboard at the time. Okay. And I don't want to mention the names. I just raised my voice on him. I don't know that person. Like, he was asking me and I was telling him the answers and he was like, this is not the answer. But this is the answer. This is the way the process works. And he was correcting me in the process. After the call, Siddharth called me saying, man, the guy belongs to leaderboard. He works with the founders of the company. Anyways, but still the company works this way. This is how dubbing thing works. That draw I was like, you know, I don't know anything about the corporate world, I don't know anything about the hierarchies. This is the man who taught me how the hierarchy works and how you should behave in the corporate world. Right, when I heard Sushma, I didn't know that she was married to Siddharth. I was like, okay. The first thing I thought when I met Sushma and they said that there's another team member for operations, I was like, I can't deal with him. I don't know, I have the person to deal with. So now I have to deal with two people. See, that's how things happen. Then when I learned and when I understood that, okay, Sushma is married to Siddharth, then I was like, okay, now I have to be careful in this situation. Because I should not talk nonsense. I directly talk nonsense to Siddharth, but I cannot talk nonsense to Sushma about Siddharth, right? So that's how things are, like, you know. And coming to Siddharth, like, you know, he's my first boss, and he'll always be my first boss. Thank you, Siddharth. Like, you know, and more of a boss, like, you know, I never thought Siddharth is my boss. He's like more of a bro. He's my bro, and he used to do all the things, like we used to go to shoots and all. Yeah, thanks Siddharth, and have a great life and enjoy the movies.
Thank you, sir.
And finally you're going to the place where you belong. enjoy, thanks.
Love you.
It's the end of the day, so I would like to call Siddharth over here.
Thank you, sir.
So this is a great family I have built, and I'm really proud of this team. Seriously, I have worked with so many teams, I have built so many teams in the past, but this is something I'm really proud, and I'll take it to my grave. This team, I'll take it to my grave. Everyone, you people are in my heart, you people always stay. Thank you, love you.
हो गया बस खत्म.